Alright, so today's Sunday. We're gonna go do Jesse's suspension today. I have all the stuff right here. We're gonna go do it at my cousin's house since he has a better drop weight for this. I'm gonna put his buddy clubs. I have all my tools ready. I'm waiting for him to get here so he could take half of this stuff because I'm not gonna be able to fit everything in the Integra. So he's gonna put probably like the jack in his Integra or something. But I'm gonna see what I could fit in mine and then wait for him to get here so we could roll over there. I'm gonna pull up my car a little bit to see what I could fit in there. See what I could fit in here. I can't really fit that much stuff, whatever I could fit right here, because I don't want anything to be, you know, bouncing around over there, messing something up. So let's see what I could fit in here. So this is what I could fit in here, the suspension and my toolbox. And then I'm gonna wait for him to get here so we could put the jack and the bar. Just waiting on him right now. I'm gonna back up just so he could park right here so it won't be too hard to put on his car. Back up a little bit. Just wait for him right here. I'll just come back once he's here. Alright, he's here. Go inside. Or yeah, just never mind, just come right here. That's good, that's good. Just gotta put this. I already have the rest in the car.
There's a lot of traffic on this one.
Where?
The parade.
What parade?
Veterans Day parade. World Veterans Day.
What the heck?
It ended already, but they have the street blocked off.
Do I work tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
It fits. Better for you to have that since you're gonna go inside. We out. Alright, we're here. My cousin's house. Look at my uncle's SI. Just got it not so long ago. He's parking up right now. Take out all the stuff and get started. Alright, so this is the ride height before we start. It's the back. That's the front. Let's see. It is about 4 finger gap. I already adjusted his coils, but I haven't worked with buddy clubs. I've only worked with function and form, so we'll see how they came out. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna do everything. And then I will just be back once we finish since I've already done this video like 2 other times. I'll be back once we put everything on. Alright, so these are not stock suspension. These are Coney yellows with wood springs. Some other springs I forgot. Ibach? I don't know if it says anymore. The 2 front ones are Ibach springs with Coney yellow struts, and then these are Coney yellow struts. They kind of look stock. Coney red. Kind of looks like stock springs, but I'm not sure. But we're just gonna take out everything and I'll just keep you guys updated on any interesting stuff that happens on the way.
So that thing will look nice on you, but just drop it all the way. No?
So this is the old ones right here. Got the eye box springs with the conies. Man, you can't see anything. Got the newer ones. There you go. Got the eye box springs. How much you want for them, Jesse? Eye box springs, conies, the new ones. There's gonna be the height difference around there. Yeah, it should be around here. That much of a difference. I already preset them for them and everything. Hit them up for sale. Alright, so we got one side in. The side's done. It's ready to go. And then we're doing the last side right here. Making sure everything's tight. And the back should be done already. The back is pretty much done, so we're gonna make sure everything's tight, put the wheels back on, and then we'll see the difference. Alright, so this is the height, how it looks right now before we put it down. It's like 2 fingers, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna go a little bit lower once we put the car down and the coilover settle. So damn, we might have to raise the car a little bit because he kind of wants the height to be close to mine. Like my back one is a good 3 fingers. And just by it standing up right now on jacks, it's on 2 fingers, so he is gonna be lower. So we're probably gonna have to mess around with the ride height a little bit more, but we're just gonna see how it looks first when we put it down right now.
Hey, wait for me.
Oh man, who is this then? Yo, this needs to go higher.
Might as well right now.
I'm gonna have to raise them.
Alright.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm getting the lock ring. I loosened the lock ring. I left it sitting with this right here. So I loosened it, I left it sitting right here, and then I started making the thread pitch higher. And I left it sitting with this loosened, so when I'm raising the car, I could see how much I've been raising it. So I've been twisting it, and this is how much I raised it so far. That much right there, that gap, this gap right here. That's how much I've raised it so far. So that's how I'm measuring. We're gonna get a measuring tape right now just to be sure both sides are even, and then we'll test it again, see how much higher we got it to. Alright, so we've been fucking around with the heights. The suspension was giving us some problems with trying to lower the car because it was a little bit too high, but now it's at 2 fingers. I don't know if you could tell, but yeah, it is the final height. Well, not the final height, but for now, this is it all around. Got dark really quick, so it's even harder to work on it. That's how we're gonna leave it for now. Yeah, it's been the video. Late.